right, number one, starting at 120, working our way down in fives until we hit the 60. That's the goal. So, yeah, that's it. Just 120 down to 60 each day. Yeah, just keep doing that thing that you worked on last week. When it gets going slow, you can think about all the upbeat stuff too. So instead of just counting like the 1, 2, 3, 4, you can be like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I'll be doing that on the slow speed here. So let's hit it at 120 to start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the old 60. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. And 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 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. 2, and 3, and 4, Just had to question myself there for a second. Just wanted to check something. There we go. Alright, so that's number one. Number two, getting the down and upstrokes going again. Alright, so 60 beats per minute. This one we work up just as the instructions talk about. Yeah, follow the time limit and all that good stuff there written at the top of the page. Here we go, 60. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 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 And another thing we talked about yesterday is kind of hold the pick kind of like this. And kind of bend the wrist a bit and strum it this way, like you're trying to shake the water off your hand. So this way, when the pick's on the string, it kind of glides this way. Because you're picking like this, as you notice, you'll catch the strings. We don't want that. So it works fine for just single note stuff. But for chords, not good. So yeah, we want it to be angled more like this, or slanted like this. That'll really help with all that. Okay, let's go to 120 now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repetition. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3, got no metronome for this one. Make sure you continue to use your first, third, and fourth fingers for the whole step stretches. That's not going to fit. Hang on. Make a change here. There we go. Yeah, so take your time with it and just concentrate on making everything sound good, clean, and muted. So, here we go. the time you get to that last note there in the second bar, actually let me rephrase all that. Let me start that over again. So I want you to get in the habit of leaving your fingers down. So starting off at the 5, keep that index finger down. Go to the 7, you're going to have your first and third finger down. And when you get to the 9, you'll have first, third, and fourth finger down. This way you get used to spreading your hand out, because we don't want to have to keep making little adjustments like that, because it'll be it'll rob you of speed significantly if you keep doing stuff like that. So yeah, get used to spreading the hand out. All right, from the top. Okay. Yeah, number 4 is just something to work on, or something to use to help practice all that C scale. So I want you to get comfortable enough with this that you can just go up and down, really without even thinking about it. So this is set to 120, but you can always change the tempo to whatever you need it to be. Let's go ahead and demonstrate this. I'm going to do it without the Guitar Pro. I'm just going to do the metronome here at that 120. So here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, big thing to remember, when you're ascending this, the first couple of bars, or I guess the first 4 bars, again, use your first, third, and fourth finger. And then when you're finishing and you're descending, it's the whole step stretches. So you gotta go down the same way, same fingers. Fourth, third, first. And I think that about covers it. All right, any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again next week.